This is the ELA activity list for the week of February 13th, ending Friday, February 17th. You have I read required 3 times this week for 20 minutes each. In work on writing, required 10 minutes daily language review. This is done independently. Required 20 minutes. My teacher gave me a kiss and it turned into get a Hershey kiss from your teacher. Then create a 4-square plan on notebook paper on what the wrapper turned into. Then create a draft of your writing. This is also independent. In read to someone, a required activity that will be 20 minutes on your timer. Read The Ants and the Grasshopper from the resource area, then complete the page on central message. Or read The Tree and the Reed from the resource area, then complete the page on central message. This is done with a pair with your partner's name here. Foundational skills required for 20 minutes. Green readers will complete the CH matching game. Choose 2 words and write them in a sentence on a blank sheet of paper. Blue readers will complete the CH matching game. On a blank sheet of paper, write all of the words in a sentence. And red readers will complete the fill-in-the-blank worksheet. This can be done in a pair, and your partner's name goes here. And in social studies, required activity for 20 minutes is read Native American, Keeping the Past Alive. Then answer the question in the resource area.